I am going to show you how to make a bath bomb. First you want to combine the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of cornstarch, and I add this first because it tends to get messy, and so I like to cover it by the other ingredients. And 2 cups of baking soda, and 1 cup of citric acid, and 1 cup of Epsom salts. Now mix this, whisk it really well until it's well combined. Set it aside, and we're going to mix the wet ingredients. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of almond oil. You can really use any unscented oil. A lot of people like coconut oil, but I'm using almond oil. Add to that 2 tablespoons of water, and then 15 to 20 drops of any essential oil that you like. I'm using lavender in this one. And then finally add the dye. I'm using purple dye. I'm just using food coloring. You can use soap dye. And then just kind of add it until you like the color that you want. If you wanted a brighter color, then add more. If you want it more subtle, then add less. And then whisk that until it's well mixed. Now when you add the liquid to the dry ingredients, it's really important to add just a little bit at a time. If you add too much, or if you add it too fast, then the citric acid will get foamy and you won't be able to make it into a bath bomb. So when it's well mixed, grab your molds, and you can use anything for a mold. I have used like an ice cube tray. In this video I'm using the molds for a traditional round bath bomb, but you can use whatever you want. So pack the 2 halves tightly, and then press them together until they stick together and they don't come apart. And then you'll want to let the bath bomb dry overnight. And then afterwards, you take each half off. You can just tap on it to make it easier. And then your bath bomb is done. Now, take a bath and enjoy.